after the 10 days, everybody lost 10 to 15 pounds. 2 of my aunts came off their blood pressure meds. Blood sugar was stabilizing, and every one of us lost 10 to 15 pounds.
You know, your most amazing self can actually start right today, from this day forward.
She was once bedridden, her body overwhelmed by mercury poisoning, surviving on 24 medications and months of struggle.
It didn't start as weight loss for me. It actually started because of a health scare. I swallowed my dental filling and I had mercury poisoning.
But instead of surrendering, she found a path back to life. With faith, discipline, and the healing power of greens, she turned pain into purpose.
Cleanse to help. That said, basically, I'm going to use green smoothies as my primary meals to recover my health. And I lost 11 pounds. I went from 24 meds down to 4 meds.
Today, she's a best-selling author, a certified nutritionist, and a voice of hope.
As Peggy said, my name is JJ Smith, and I'm a nutritionist, certified weight loss expert.
This is the transformation of JJ Smith, a journey of resilience and timeless strength. JJ Smith was born in 1970 and grew up with a spirit shaped by family love and determination. Her early life followed a traditional path. She earned a degree in mathematics from Hampton University and began a professional career in the IT industry. But beneath the surface of success, her health was quietly unraveling. Her life changed dramatically when a health scare struck. After swallowing a dental filling, JJ developed mercury poisoning. The toxic accumulation affected her liver, kidneys, and brain. For 6 months, she was relying on 24 medications just to get through each day. Despite medical care, her condition wasn't improving, and her future felt uncertain. During that season of weakness, JJ leaned on her family. Her mother, especially, encouraged her to explore new paths.
Bedridden for 6 months, on 24 meds, wasn't getting no better. And my mom's like, you're going to have to figure out something else because you're not getting any better.
Through prayer, she felt led to try raw greens, something so simple yet transformative.
Just did what I know to do, and that was like to pray. And God told me raw greens could heal your body. And I'm like, collard greens and fat bag?
What followed was nothing short of life-changing. Green smoothies began to restore her body. She lost weight, experienced healing, and slowly reduced the heavy load of medications she had depended on.
I created a regimen where you use green smoothies for 10 days to heal your body, lose some weight, and get your life back.
This health crisis became her turning point. What could have ended her story instead sparked a new beginning. JJ's personal transformation gave her credibility and purpose. She understood firsthand the struggle of fighting for health and the hope that comes when you finally find healing.
I'm going to figure out how I can really get healthy, heal my body, and really begin to feel better, and so I didn't have to be sick all the time.
That journey laid the foundation for everything she would later share with the world. From her personal recovery, JJ Smith built a professional mission that would reach millions. Her discovery of green smoothies became the blueprint for her best-selling book, 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse.
Hello, my name is JJ Smith. I am the author of the New York Times bestseller, 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse.
The book quickly rose to #1 on the New York Times list, becoming both a national and USA Today bestseller. Her career didn't stop there. She went on to write Green Smoothies for Life, a 30-day program blending smoothies, hot meals, and even healthy snacks and desserts.
It's not just green smoothies. You get hot meals, snacks, cookies, brownies. It's really a plan that you can maintain for life.
She emphasized one simple truth: healthy food must taste good, or people won't stay consistent. That philosophy set her apart from many nutrition voices, giving her programs a lasting impact. She also created Lose Weight Without Dieting or Working Out and developed the DEM system: Detox, Eat, Move.
So this is a very flexible cleanse for those who want to get their sexy back for the summer. There's a full cleanse and a modified. On the full, you basically have the green smoothies you see here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
These approaches showed people how to achieve results without falling into unrealistic routines. Later, she introduced the 14-day new keto cleanse, designing keto-friendly green smoothies that combined low-sugar, low-carb principles with her proven detox methods.
The smoothies are basically they all consist of greens. You see here some spinach and kale, fruit and water. So they have lots of vitamins and minerals.
JJ became more than an author. She became a community leader. Her Facebook group grew to more than 800,000 members, with challenges that brought accountability and motivation to participants around the world.
When you get discouraged, we have a Facebook group
We will uplift you. We will keep you encouraged. We'll answer questions.
She also produced a 6-part video training series on belly fat, complete with shopping lists, meal plans, and recipes. Her credibility expanded with media appearances. She was featured on The Dr. Oz Show.
So as we age, our B12 levels, our body's ability to absorb B12 really declines. I would know I'm 49.
The Steve Harvey Show.
High levels of mercury in my liver, my kidneys, and my brain, and I was on 24 meds. I was bedridden for months, couldn't get out of bed. I mean, even if I got out of bed.
The View.
There's a full cleanse and a modified. On the full, you basically have the green smoothies you see here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And many more. Magazines like Essence, Glamour, and Ladies' Home Journal profiled her work. What started with a personal health crisis transformed into a thriving career. JJ Smith built a platform where science, community, and compassion met, turning her into one of the most respected nutrition experts of her time. For JJ Smith, health became both a mission and a lifestyle. After her recovery, she committed to teaching others how to care for their bodies with simple, powerful routines that truly worked.
Just this year, that means you can lose the weight that you desire too. Come on and join us on the Green Smoothie movement.
At the heart of her message were green smoothies, nutrient-dense blends that could heal, energize, and even replace a meal. Her signature recipe called for 3 handfuls of spinach, 2 cups of peaches, 2 cups of pineapple, and a base of water to avoid excess sugar.
But if you have a Power Green smoothie, you can actually add in kale, you can add in spinach, you can add in I add strawberries, a little stevia.
Sometimes she added almond milk for creaminess, but only sparingly during detox. She stressed balance: protein powders for strength, ground flaxseed for fiber and healthy fats, and frozen organic fruits like blueberries, mangoes, and bananas for flavor. JJ warned her audience that not all smoothies are created equal. Some recipes online were as calorie-heavy as a cheeseburger. That's why she carefully designed her blends to support weight loss, detox, and long-term health.
So unlike some of those nasty green drinks, these are healthy, but they're delicious. It's a very flexible plan.
Her approach was practical and adaptable, even developing keto-friendly versions that fit low-carb lifestyles.
Particularly, I like this for breakfast. I like it to start the day. This is great for vegans, non-meat eaters. But if you have a Power Green smoothie...
Beyond smoothies, JJ shared everyday health tips, like an apple cider vinegar drink with lemon and cayenne to ease bloating and indigestion.
Apple cider vinegar has pectin, which is a water-soluble fiber that helps support good bacteria in the gut, which is critical for healthy digestion.
Her cookbooks featured healthy meals, such as Cajun chicken cauliflower, as well as treats like oatmeal raisin cookies that satisfied cravings without derailing progress. Her belief was simple: food should taste good and fuel the body.
Gross, it doesn't taste
right.
bad.
This is not those nasty green drinks you've heard about. The fruit hides the taste of the greens, and they're absolutely delicious.
By combining detox methods with comfort food flavors, JJ helped people stay consistent. Health was no longer punishment. It was pleasure, discipline, and daily care for the body. JJ's recovery was not only physical, it was deeply spiritual. In her lowest moments, bedridden and overwhelmed by illness, she turned to prayer.
Did what I know to do, and that was like to pray. And God told me raw greens could heal your body. And I'm like, collard greens and fat bag?
She often shared that through prayer, she felt led to the healing power of raw greens. That faith-inspired moment became the foundation of her transformation. Spiritual discipline guided her approach to health. She believed in consistency, in building habits that honored both body and soul.
Treat your body like it's the greatest gift you have, because it is.
Her mindset rejected quick fixes. Instead, she focused on resilience, teaching that true change requires patience and daily choices. Her story became a testimony. Even when the body fails, faith and determination can restore life. She reminded her community that health was not just about looking younger or losing weight. It was about reclaiming life, energy, and purpose.
You can exercise, but if you don't get rid of all the toxins, they're going to get reabsorbed and end up back in the fat cell.
For JJ, the Bible provided wisdom and prayer offered strength. These practices anchored her through the trials of sickness, the demands of her career, and the pressure of public life. By combining discipline with faith, she built a mindset that carried her forward, one that continues to inspire others to seek balance between the physical and the spiritual. JJ's influence grew beyond her books and personal story. She built a thriving community that offered encouragement, accountability, and transformation. She organized 10 and 30-day challenges, guiding participants through her cleanse programs with structure and support.
The JJ Smith 10-day green smoothie cleanse. If you are interested, please thumbs up.
These challenges became more than health routines. They were lifelines for people who needed motivation, connection, and hope. By sharing success stories and before and after transformations, she proved that ordinary people could achieve extraordinary results.
In the book, in chapter 4 of the 10-day green smoothie cleanse, I go through all of this. I give you all the snacks. But the main thing I wanted you to know is you can eat on the cleanse. You're not drinking green smoothies all day.
Her outreach extended through her website, where she provided free resources like food charts showing which foods support weight loss versus weight gain. She made sure that no one was left without tools to begin their journey.
Go check out the before and after pictures on jjsmithonline.com. You can get a free sample of the book, and you can also see before and after pictures and get more information on where to buy the book.
JG also used her platform to highlight transformation stories, giving voice to those who had regained their health and confidence. Through mentorship, recipes, and consistent engagement, she became not just a nutritionist, but a guide for healthier living.
But you're not just drinking green smoothies all day. There's a lot of other snacks and things you're eating every 2 to 3 hours. You don't have to go hungry.
Her impact was clear. She created a movement, one where health and community went hand in hand. And in doing so, she left a mark on lives across the globe.
I support 840,000 in my green smoothie Facebook group.
Yeah.
And they absolutely love this one because it tastes like peppermint smoothie.
JJ Smith's story is proof that discipline and consistency can transform a life. What began as a health crisis, months bedridden, 24 medications, and uncertainty became the foundation for her greatest calling. She discovered that healing isn't magic and success isn't luck. It comes from daily choices, from faith that sustains you, and from routines that keep you strong. Her timelessness doesn't come from trends or quick fixes. It comes from honoring her body with greens and balance, from fueling her spirit with prayer, and from sharing her knowledge with others. She teaches that you don't have to accept where you are. You can choose to rise, one step at a time. JJ's journey reminds us that health is possible, resilience is powerful, and consistency is the real secret. Her life declares, with faith, discipline, and care, transformation is always within reach.